This thing looks nice. This is a 1/18 Panda RC truck. Let's have a close look at it. Now this truck has some pretty good specs on it. Pretty good attack angle in the front, 60 degree, 55 in the rear. It's got a lot of nice specs on it. USB charger. It comes ready to run. Price is pretty decent. Got this from Great Hobbies as a door prize for the event. We're opening up a new RC park, and we're going to be raffling this thing away as a door prize for the big opening. So thank you very much, Great Hobbies. Really appreciate it. And I'm just going over the box right now. It's the first time I actually see this little truck, and we're going to open it up and see what it looks like. It even have a light bar. That's kind of cute. There we go. We're opening up the seal. Yay! And take that out. Nice packaging on this. That's one thing is for sure. We'll cut these off, get the truck off, and you get another box with some goodies and some instruction books. What's in here? Let's find out real quick. Another box inside a box. And we have the remote that's nice and safely tied. 2.4. Cool. Oh, it's got a nice feeling on that. Now this is cool. I started opening up the bag and you actually get a small little tiny banner from Panda RC. That is so nice. Nice little banner. So cool. And in the box you get tools, you get some other clips. You get the 700 milliamp battery. And everything is in a small little tiny Ziploc bag, which is nice. And again, this is a small little LiPo battery, 700 milliamps. And you do get the batteries for the remote control. And this is the USB charger to charge up this battery. Now the truck has a very fine little details on it, which is nice. The grill is actually a chrome grill that's actually added on. So that's something you'd actually see on a 1/10 truck. And you do see the details inside the grill, which is pretty nice. Bumper is actually attached on the frame. And the rear also has a chrome attachment onto it. These body clips are tiny. So cute. Darn. Fingers are too big. Gonna use needle nose. Way easier. Especially to get into the dip here. It was a little tough for me to get in there. And this is what we get with the mess of wire. Wow. This is neat for this price and this scale that it comes all pre-wired like this with the light bar and tail lights and headlights also. And they give you enough cable that it actually goes around, which is nice. You can put it aside no problem. And there you see the little motor. I'm not sure what the size of this is, but it's a fairly nice size. The transmission has actually a metal bulkhead here where the actual motor attaches to. Little tiny servo in front. And it is mounted on the axle. It is not mounted on the chassis, which is okay for that scale. I see no problem with that. Tires are nice. They should handle pretty nice on the hill. And the shocks are actually metal. So the shocks are metal, but the caps are plastic. It does not feel like there's any oil in there, but I'm sure you could put some. This is a built-in ESC receiver at the same time. Battery goes in the back with a nice little strap. Four links. Plastic dry shaft. The chassis rail is in metal, which is nice. That's a nice little truck. And the fact that the bumper is actually on the chassis itself, I really like that. And you get the full light kit and everything. Let's power it up and see what it looks like. Now to hook up the battery, it was a little tricky because I wanted to make sure that nothing was on top of it to avoid the body, and for this balance plug to actually not get in the way. So, but it holds there pretty good. Okay, I just turned on the radio. I'm going to turn on the truck. Light comes on. We have steering. And we have throttle. And the brake light comes on. Lights are not on. There must be a switch to turn that on. Well, this thing has... Oh, it's even got reverse lights. Oh yes, it does have a light switch. Oh, it even had different gears also. Here I have a gear to change gear. High and low, I guess. And this is to turn on the lights. Let's see the lights. So the rear lights are on by default. And I did not put the body clips on here. But I'll turn on the switch now. There we go. That is really nice for this scale, what they do. Very nice little truck from Great Hobbies. Suspension is really nice on this. Oh, that's crawling mode. That's cool. Oh, it's actually got 3 speeds. This is medium. And you got full. Whoa! Wow. Pretty impressive what they pack in this little truck. Especially the 3-speed, the light kit. What they have is just nice. Really impressed with the build of this truck. Wow. Now, is it going to hold up to abuse? Only time's going to tell. But I know that you can buy some parts and you can buy upgrades for these little guys. For a 1/18 truck, it's a nice truck. The light bar actually has 3 LEDs in it. Trying to show it, but it doesn't show. And then you see the LEDs inside. Pretty impressive little truck, that's for sure. Let's see. This is full speed. Put it on medium. This is medium. And this is low. So all the speed is being done by the electronics into here. Give it more power or less power. And the radio feels nice also. Yep, I'm really impressed with this little truck. It's got some nice features. Very nice. Well, guys, thanks for watching for this quick update and view on this little Panda RC Tetra18. That's a nice little truck. Thank you very much, and talk to you guys later. Bye.